Hey guys, I want to show you how to connect this soundbar Bose TV speaker with your laptop. Switch the soundbar on. Once you switch it on, the light will be highlighting here. Use the remote control to select Bluetooth, and once you select Bluetooth, a blue light will be highlighting looking for available Bluetooth device. Go to the laptop settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, switch Bluetooth on. Now Bluetooth is on. You need to select add a device, then select Bluetooth, and it will start to search for available Bluetooth device. So now it's searching for available Bluetooth device. Bose TV speaker audio is available. Select on it. It's connecting, and it's connected. Once it's connected, you hear a noise. Then select done. Now we're going to test the audio using upbeat sound. This is the audio. This is Bose TV speaker remote control. This is Bose TV speaker remote control. With this remote control, you switch the soundbar on and off from this button. You select TV for you to select optical or HDMI connection. Use plus volume up, minus is volume decrease. The bass model, this button is Bluetooth, then this is bass adjust. Press bass, then press volume up or volume down to adjust the bass. This button is dialogue mode. Enable dialogue mode, adjust the audio balance to improve the clarity of dialogue and vocal in movie, TV program or podcast. Press the dialogue mode button to switch between dialogue mode and your default settings. So once you place the dialogue mode, a green light will be highlighting. Press it again, the light will go to default mode, which is white color. But if you select the dialogue mode, a green light will be highlighting here. This soundbar deserves your attention. I'm happy with this soundbar. Enable auto wake. Enable your speaker to power on automatically when dictate sound coming from your TV. Press and hold the power button until you hear a tone and the TV and Bluetooth light on the speaker blink amber 3 times. So if you want to enable auto wake, thank you very much indeed. I'm happy with this soundbar. Thank you. It deserves your attention. Thank you.